According to the famous Albert Einstein, play is also another form of research. This is what Splash Water Park envisioned. Splash Water Park is Nigeria's foremost water park that sits on a vast plot of land at the cadastral zone beside Games Village, Kaura, Abuja. This park presents a wonderful and exciting experience to lovers of nature, where kids and adults can have a fun time cooling off on sunny days.
Splash Water Park basically is a water play area for kids, and of course we host families, parents, which we hold birthdays, we do family picnics, basically just to concentrate on the family values.
We had an awesome moment with the manager of the park, Mr. Isaiah Itodu, who threw more light about the park and its related activities.
This is Splash Water Park, where we had a dream that had been bettered to life, where families can come together and have that fun. You know, we're in this time where both parents are busy, and we just sought to look out for what makes it easy for parents to be able to mingle with their kids outside their homes and then to just have fun. And that's what bettered Splash Water Park. We have 4 play areas. We have the water football pitch, where the kids can just have that football play in here, and then they could fall in, just the fun of it. We also have a smaller pool with slides in it. A side of it is about 2 feet, and then the other side is about 1 feet, so you can accommodate kids from their early age through the teenage. Then we have the bigger pool at my left this way. It's about 4 feet with a giant slide in front of it. So you have this water dripping down where the kids will climb up and then have a slide into the water. Also, we have the fountain. The essence is just to have the water feel on you. Parents can also enjoy that. You know, there were those days where when the rain falls, our parents would allow us go out into the rain. But you know, the kids of this time don't have that play access. So we have a corporate way for them to have that water feel on them. So that's why we have the fountain. So we're just creating moments for families, creating moments for the kids. So customer care is topmost for us. Splash Water Park is that place you don't want to miss out from.
From the spicy treats of the locals to the appetizing finger-licking bites of the cuisines, this park has all that local and international tourists will enjoy. You will also see children having the best of time as they play around the various bouncy water castles available at the park. With a combination of tropical surroundings and natural sceneries that creates the serenity which every outdoor lover would enjoy, this park provides spaces for parties, hangouts, get-togethers and birthdays. So, if you've been looking for a park to hang out with your kids and enjoy nature at its best, then Splash Water Park is the ideal place for you. A visit to the park will leave you with pleasant memories of fun, adventure, and more. I'll leave you with this quote from Vince Gilmore, Play is not a break from learning. It is a doorway to the child's heart.
For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attraction, kindly click the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.